How to cancel Rednote account. Let's get started. Launch your Rednote app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to three bars given at the top left. Click on the settings icon. Now head over to the option account security given at the very top. Now scroll all the way down. You're gonna find the option of account cancellation. Click on that. Now, in case you have linked your phone number to your account, you'll need to provide the code. Click on send. Now you will be receiving code in the phone number that is linked with your account. You'll need to type in that code over here to confirm deletion. Once you type in, click on done. Now agree with the terms and condition, then click on done. Now give a reason why do you want to delete your account. Select any of the reason. Click on next. So this is how you can easily cancel your Rednote account. This was really simple and quick process. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.